Hey guys, Miss Peterman and I here to show you how to play Kahoot using Zoom. So first thing I need to do is Mrs. Peterman is sharing her screen with me. I have to exit full screen mode. How I do that is on my screen, I move my mouse up to the top where it says View Options. I'm going to click that and I'm going to scroll down to Exit Full Screen Mode. Once I do that, a white bar appears at the top with 3 icons on the right hand side. What I need to do now is resize my screen. How I do that is I click the middle button here and it makes my screen smaller. Now yours might not be this size. All you do is go to the side window and then you can drag to make it bigger or smaller, whatever size works for you. So there is Zoom. Now I need to go into Kahoot myself. How I do that is I go down to my start window and I click the browser I'm going to use. I'm going to use Google Chrome. When I click that, it becomes full screen. Now I have to minimize this screen. I again go to these 3 buttons up in the top right hand corner and click the middle one to resize the screen. Then I'm going to drag it so that way I see Mrs. Peterman's screen on Zoom and my browser. Now I'm ready to log into Kahoot. I'm going to go up to the search bar and type in Kahoot.it. It will then take me to the game page. From here, I'm going to log in using Mrs. Peterman's code. I find it over here on her Zoom screen. So I'm going to type in the code, enter, and I'm going to enter a nickname and go. Notice my name popped up on her screen. I'm ready to go. When Mrs. Peterman sees that everybody's in, or your teacher sees that everybody's in, they'll start the game.
All right, Miss Soliday, are you ready?
I'm ready. All right.
Here we go.
Now, on the left-hand side, the cool thing about this is on the left-hand side, we will see the question and answer choices, and then we'll see my game choices over on the right. So what is the biggest country in the world? I'm going to make my choice. I got it. Now, you guys will have a lot more time. Remember, it doesn't submit until either the time is up or everyone has answered. Let's look where the timer is for this next question. Go ahead, Mrs. Peterman.
All right.
Ooh. All right, notice the question too. It'll show the question. I'm thinking. Now look at this purple box or this purple circle over here. This has the timer. Also, the question is also up here again. So I'm thinking, what is 12 times 12? Each answer corresponds with a color, if you remember. I'm going to click my answer. And then we're going to see our results. So from then, once the game is over, all I need to do is exit out of my browser with my game mode that I'm using, go back over to Mrs. Peterman's screen share, and resize the box again. And that's how you use Zoom with Kahoot. Have fun!